Let's pack an order for Caitlin. Caitlin started off her order with this little sausage dog and friends, and then next she picked up a 3-inch Yes I Can rainbow kit, and last but not least she chose a Let It Grow cross-stitch kit. Some really lovely kits here, so let's see what they look like when they're all stitched up. So this is the Let It Grow kit. As you can see, it's on this lovely dark green Aida with rainbow plant pots. And then next she chose this sausage dog kit with the really cute little duckling and frog sat on his back. And finally she picked up this little mini, which is a Yes I Can rainbow kit, perfect for beginners and really quick to stitch. Something else I just want to mention is that all of our medium cross-stitch kits come with some extra pom-pom trim, and this is just a nice little extra that I like to pop in your kits so that you can add a little bit of extra jazziness to your hoops if you want to. It's totally up to you, but I like that you can have it as an option. Thank you so much for your order, Caitlin.